If you build forms in Monday.com and want them to be more clear, more structured, and easier for users to complete, this new feature is going to help. Monday now allows you to add text blocks directly into forms, and it is a simple change that makes a big difference. Text blocks allow you to guide users through a form using section headers, descriptions, or instructional text. This is especially useful for longer forms, intake workflows, or any form where context matters. Let me show you how it works. Step 1. Open the form editor. Start by opening the form you want to edit. Click into Edit Form mode. Once you're in the form editor, scroll to the bottom of the form, where you will see an option called Add Context. Step 2. Add a text block. Click Add Context, then either scroll or select context blocks. From there, choose text and click Add to Form. You will immediately see a text block appear in the form editor panel. Step 3. Position and edit the text block. Text blocks are fully flexible. You can drag and drop them anywhere in the form. For an example, you might place a text block above a group of questions to introduce a new section, such as request information. You can add a title, a description, or both. This makes the form easier to read and helps users understand exactly what information is being requested. Step 4. Use cases for text blocks. Text blocks can be used in several ways. Section headers to break up long forms, instructions before a group of questions, context or explanations for required fields, terms and conditions or disclaimers and guidance for external users filling out the form. Because they are not tied to a column, text blocks can be updated or reposited at any time without impacting your data structure. Step 5. View the live form. When you view the live form, you will see the main form description at the top, followed by the text blocks throughout the form. These blocks can clearly separate sections and guide users through the process step by step. This improves clarity, reduces confusion, and helps ensure more complete and accurate submissions. Text blocks are a small but powerful addition to Monday.com forms. If you want to improve form structure and user experience, this feature is worth using. Subscribe for more Monday.com tips and tutorials. And if you want help designing forms and workflows that your team and customers actually enjoy using, click the link below to schedule a free discovery call. Thanks for watching.